Select Assembly to begin. The pop-up window asks you to select the components that will be part of the assembly. Proceed to introduce the remaining elements. As you can see in the drawing, the cylinder must have coincident, concentric, and tangent relations. For this, click on Mate and select the faces of the parts to be related. Confirm the relation. If you try to move the cylinder, you will see that there are movements you can no longer make. Move the part slightly upwards to select the bottom face. If you need to rotate it, you can use the right mouse button. Now define the coincident relation so that the cylinder appears attached to the top face of the board. Duplicate the cylinder. The relations for the second cylinder will be the same. The last cylinder must be concentric and tangent. For the second part, apply the concentric relation. Now apply the parallelism relation. Finally, apply the coincident relation. For the last part, use the coincident relation for one face, and again for the other face. Lastly, add a distance relation with a value of 8 mm. Now I will give you some recommendations for assemblies. Organize the parts into folders, as this can help manage them when there are many pieces. Modify the parts from the assembly file itself, so you can see how the mate relations behave with the rest of the parts. Finally, play with the transparency and visibility of the parts to visualize the entities more easily. This can be very useful when, for example, one part covers the visibility of a smaller one. Great! To practice, try to do it by yourself by looking at the drawing and following these steps. Good luck!